Bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Ça va très bien. Okay, so as always, all work from this week is due Friday the 30th. And at this point, you should have completed all work from semaine 1 et 2. But the assignments will stay open through the end of the week, so if you're missing anything, please submit it as soon as possible. Remember, there's no class on Wednesday because you have family teacher conferences. So today you guys will be able to use numbers in French conversations. Our agenda is our do now. We're going to learn some new vocabulary, and then you have an exit ticket. Okay, so the question essentielle, the essential question is combien de blank as-tu? All right, I'm going to say that a little bit slower. Combien de blank as-tu? And that means how many blank do you have? So if I asked someone, combien de livres as-tu? How many books do you have? Then you would answer, j'ai 3 livres. I have 3 books. So let's go through a couple examples. But first we're going to look at the words for French numbers so you know the numbers that you can fill in the blanks with. So 1 is un, 2 is deux, 3 is trois, 4, quatre, 5, cinq, 6, six, 7, sept, 8, huit, 9, neuf, and 10, dix. All right, so this is the example that I just said, but now we're going to look at it as you listen. So, combien de livres as-tu? How many books do you have? So, let's answer the question. Combien de livres as-tu? From the perspective of this guy over here. How many books does he have under his apple? All right, he would respond, j'ai 3 livres. I have 3 books. All right, combien de frères as-tu? And that means how many brothers do you have? So if our friend over here has 2 brothers, he would say what? Combien de frères as-tu? How would he answer? J'ai 2 frères. I have 2 brothers because it's a picture with two brothers over there. All right, next, combien de cours as-tu? How many classes do you have? So we have his schedule over here. He takes science, he takes sciences, math, français, musique, et informatique. So combien de cours as-tu? What would he say? J'ai 5 cours. Très bien. Okay, combien de jeux vidéo as-tu? How many video games do you have? So here are the video games that he has. World of Warcraft, Sonic, BioShock. I don't know any of these games. But how would he answer? Combien de jeux vidéo as-tu? How many video games do you have? J'ai 8 jeux vidéo. I have 8 video games. All right, so now we're going to look at numbers 10 through 20. 11 is 11, 12 is 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, and 20. 20. Okay, so this question is going to be a little bit different. It's quel âge as-tu? And that means how old are you? But it is structured similarly to how you'd ask how many of something someone has. So if you want to ask someone how old they are, quel âge as-tu? Okay, so however old you are, j'ai 16 ans, j'ai 17 ans. I don't know how old you guys are, but you can go ahead and put your answer. All right. Très bien. All right, combien de chats as-tu? How many cats do you have? So look at our friend over here. He's got so many cats. Where's he keeping all those cats? But how would he answer? Combien de chats as-tu? I gotta count real quick. All right, so he would say, j'ai 12 chats. He has 12 cats. I think I counted those correct. All right. Now look at all the hats he has. What is his job? Is he like an entertainer? He's just putting on all these different hats. But his friend wants to know, combien de chapeaux as-tu? How many hats do you have? So how would he answer that question? Okay, now that I've finished counting, he's going to answer, j'ai 14 chapeaux. I have 14 hats. All right, and that's all for today, but please complete the I4S3 exit ticket on Canvas. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email. Au revoir, merci.